Good morning, boys and girls. I'm here with a special read aloud for us today. This week is Butterfly Week, so I have some special surprises in store this week and some special extra videos I'll be sending you. But I wanted to read one of my favorite stories when I think about butterflies. Well, if you don't already know, butterflies don't start as a butterfly, they start as a caterpillar. And one of my favorite authors is Eric Carle, and he wrote the story called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And sometimes, I don't know about you, but I feel hungry just like the caterpillar in this story. Let's see what happens when he eats a lot of food. Ooh, the artwork is so cool. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. There's a sun. In the light of the moon lay a little egg, and it laid on a leaf. Can you see the little egg right there? Kind of small. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Can you see him right there? He's still kind of little. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. So he's eating a lot of fruits. That's pretty good for you, right? On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries, but he was still hungry. What do you think is going to come next? There's a clue. On Friday, he ate through five oranges, but he was still hungry. Wow. Uh-oh. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake, one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon. Uh-oh. That night, he had a stomachache. If I ate all those foods, I would probably have one too. Look at all the foods. Do you have a favorite on this page? I think my favorite might be the chocolate cake. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar this time ate through one nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. This is my favorite part. But he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. Look how huge he is. He built a small house called a cocoon, and we call it a chrysalis, around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the chrysalis, pushed his way out. What do you think he's going to turn into? First he was a caterpillar. He's inside. Something's happening to him. Do you know what's happening? Let's find out. He was a beautiful butterfly. Wow. I would love to make a beautiful butterfly that looks like this. Maybe I might paint a picture of one later. All right, let's find out what happens next. Look at, there he is. Oh, that's the end of the story. So at the beginning of the story, he started as just a little caterpillar. And by the end of the story, he was a beautiful butterfly. And I hope you enjoyed the story because it does go along with something special that we're going to be doing all week. And I can't wait for you to see. Have a great day. Bye.